Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Balochi Bread Tadka. Step 1, preparing green chutney. Add 3 tablespoons coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 3 to 4 green chilies, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut. Blend in mixer. Add some water. Blend well. Green chutney is ready. Step 2, blend curd with sugar. Take 200 grams curd, 3 tablespoons sugar. Blend well. Remove it. Step 3, preparing the dish. 3 layers of breads. First layer, arrange bread slices. Apply green chutney on it. Pour curd. Put second layers of bread. Same steps. Spread green chutney. Pour sweetened curd. Third layer of breads. Chutney. Beat and sweeten curd. Keep aside, meanwhile make the tempering. Step 4, preparing tadka. Take 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 10 to 12 cashews. Cook until cashews turns light golden brown. Pour tadka on assembled bread. Step 5. Chill completely. Freeze for 30 minutes. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.